Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. Shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I survived. Shout out to my family because I have been my mother, father, Darba, Benjamin, and Kia. Shout out to all my first viewers to never get. Tell them my masterpieces. Thank you so much. Each and every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi to all my friends, to all my lovely countries. Hello. And to each and every one of you, and to all my new followers on Facebook. Thank you so much for trusting my channel. And to each and every one of you. You know what guys, I'm gonna give you some Independence Day song. I've learned this song when I was still on my elementary days, and I don't know who sang this very beautiful song and a very nostalgic song, but I know that my music teacher Mrs. Sipin was the one who taught us how to sing this particular song, and I would like to dedicate this song to her. Mrs. Sipin, wherever you are, I really miss you, and you taught us all kinds of music, all kinds of songs, and all about music. And I would like also to dedicate this song to my class advisor, Mrs. Socorro Ramirez. Hi, I hope you are still alive. If I have time, I'm gonna go there in your house. And to all my teachers in elementary from grade 1 to grade 6. Actually guys, I had my first grade on Mount Carmel School until grade 1 and grade 2, and grade 3 up to grade 6 in Ibalon Elementary School, Legazpi City. Okay guys and girls, I hope you're gonna like this song. There's a two version, English version and Tagalog version. Okay, so here it is. Let's not hold it back. Maestro, hold on. So we're still on the go. Philippines, our native land, the country of the brave, pearl of all the Orient seas, the home of men of pride. We are ready all the time to walk for peace and right. Philippines, dear Philippines, for freedom of us all will fight. Guys, sorry. Can I take another thing? Another one. Sorry. Philippines are native. Sorry guys. I've been. Oh, here I am. Oh gosh. Philippines are native land, the country of the brave, pearl of all the Orient seas, the home of men of pride. We are ready all the time to walk for peace and right. Philippines, dear Philippines, for freedom of us all we fight. For freedom of us. Oh gosh, sorry guys. For freedom of us all will. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Sorry, still. I know this song. Sorry guys. Philippines, dear Philippines, for freedom. That for freedom of. For freedom, all of us. For freedom, all of us will fight. Okay. For freedom, all of us will fight. Now I know. Philippines, our native land, the country of the brave, pearl of all the Orient seas, the home of men of pride. We are ready all the time to walk for peace and right. Philippines, dear Philippines, for freedom all of us will fight. Wake up, oh wake up, fight for the right. Freedom, oh freedom, almost fight for Philippines, our native land, the country of the brave, pearl of all the Orient seas, the home of Mena pride. We are ready all the time to walk for peace and right. Philippines, dear Philippines, for freedom all of us will fight. Thank you. Guys, please bear with me. I just want to give respect and salute to all the Filipinos, especially our national heroes, and to all of us Filipinos who keep on fighting for our right, for our freedom, and for our land. Okay, so we're still on the go. Do you want me to give you the Tagalog version? Hold on. How I wish I can still make this one. Okay. I guess just for you to have a surprise, I'm gonna make it for tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Bye for now. Have a great evening to share one of you. Tomorrow I'm gonna give the Tagalog version. Thank you. Bye.